Guys, so today I wanted to review the Morphe and Jeffree Star brush set that just came out. I got the full brush set, which also came with a bag. It's a pretty bag and it's see-through so you can see what's in there. Now in this brush set you get 7 brushes for $49. These are sold individually. I didn't really need the brush set, but I decided why not. I like Jeffree, I like Morphe brushes. The main reason I got the brush set is for the 2 eye brushes because I love Morphe eye brushes and I definitely wanted to see how these were. The brow brush came broken. They refunded me, which is nice. They refunded me like no questions asked. As you guys can see, this is what happened when I used it. So clearly there was not enough glue, but I just put it back on and it does work. Honestly, the highlighting brush is actually one of my favorites. It just applies everything so well and it literally instantly blends it into your skin so there isn't any harsh lines. The powder brush is nice. I expected it to be a bit smaller, but I personally do enjoy it. I use this to set my whole face, but mainly my T-zone. These brushes are so fluffy. They feel so nice on the skin. Face brush is really nice. I don't typically use foundation. I usually just use concealer, but I did try this with foundation and it blended it out very well. Definitely like as good as any other foundation brush I've tried from Morphe. I used the contour brush for bronzer today simply because I couldn't find my contour powder, but this is honestly so nice. Like with it being so small, you might think that it wouldn't get the job done, but it does. It blends everything out beautifully. There aren't any harsh lines, and the way that the brush is made, like it has like a little bit of weight to it so it feels luxurious and it's honestly pretty. Like these brushes are pretty. I'm not a big pink person, but the handles are to die for. All the bristles are so soft. I absolutely adore them. But yes, overall, I really enjoy the brushes. I know Morphe is sometimes, you know, no one knows how to feel about Morphe. I like Morphe brushes, but I take everything with a grain of salt. Like, I mean, my brow brush came broken, so like, but they refunded me, so I don't feel bad about it. But yeah, I think that this brush bundle is nice. My only critique is I wish that they came out with more eye brushes because I don't care as much about face brushes, but eye brushes I would buy in a heartbeat.